Joy! Hi everybody, it's me, and today these two Chelseas are gonna help these birds. So this is the mommy, then this is the baby, this is the daddy. Now let's wake them up. Oh, you already woke up. Let's go to breakfast. Now let's wake the mommy. Come on, wake up. I'm gonna ask the Chelseas to tickle her so she can wake up. I'm gonna pick this Chelsea. She's really pretty. Tickle, tickle, tickle. She woke up. She's gonna go to breakfast for her baby. And now let's wait for the dad to wake up. Actually, I'm gonna wake him up. Come on, Dad, wake up. Here he is. He woke up. Everybody's at breakfast now. Whoa, this bird is really hungry because it talks so much. It's okay, little birdie. The breakfast is coming soon. I'll bring the water in case if you're thirsty, birds. Here you go, the water. And you, Chelsea, you can bring the food. Okay. I got the food. This is the bird's favorite food. There's different seeds Daddy likes. Come on, Mom and Dad, you're not eating? Oh yeah, they are. They're drinking water. And now they wanna eat. Oh, you're thirsty? And the mom is thirsty too. All of them are thirsty. Okay, now do you want to sing, birdie? Deep, 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 deep. Okay, I'm gonna get its flute. Watch this, it will sing. Wait, I need to blow a little closer. Can we blow? Yeah, can we blow? Sure. You can't blow. Let's see if you can. Either you can't. Sorry, but you can't do it. Okay, now the birdie wants to go on the ring. Right here. And these little holes are for your fingers. Now I can hold it on my fingers. And it can stand like this too when it stands. Come on, Mommy Bird, I turned you on and you're not singing. I think she doesn't want to sing. Yeah, let's try the dad. Let's turn it on. Do you want to sing? She's singing.
Hello, little Chelsea.
It talked to us. That's so cool.
The food is very good, thank you.
It talked to us again. It said the food is very good. You're welcome.
I want to play. Do you want to ride on my back?
Yes, sure. Oops, I didn't go on right. Okay, I'm right on now. Whee! into the sky. It's your turn. Okay, it's my turn now. I'm gonna ride on the dad. Whee! Whee! Whee!
That was so much fun.
Yeah, I think so too. The birds look tired. We need to put them to bed. Let's put the baby one at its bunk bed and the mommy one down. And now let's put the daddy. Let's put it right here and let's put its blanket on. Bye everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.